In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a slider progress bar. We're going to build this directly inside a Notion database using a formula property. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a visual slider style progress bar that automatically updates based on your data. I'll walk you through each click, explain what's happening, and share some tips so you can easily adapt it to your own setup. First, open the Notion database where you want the slider progress bar to appear. This could be a task list, a content calendar, or any table or board view. At the top of the database, look for the list of existing columns. On the far right, you'll see an option to add a new property. Click on Add Property. This is how we create a new column that will store the progress bar. When the Property Settings panel opens, you'll be asked to choose a property type. Click on Formula. Using a formula lets us dynamically generate the slider based on other values in the database, such as completion percentage, status, or any custom calculation you're already using. Once you've selected formula, a formula editor will appear, usually with an empty field or a small table of functions and examples below it. Click inside the main formula area so that it's active. If you see a formula reference table or function list below, you can use it to help you build or adjust the formula. But for now, we'll type directly into the formula box. Now, type in your formula. The exact formula will depend on how you track progress. A common approach is to take a numeric property, like a percentage or a ratio of completed subtasks, and convert that into a series of characters that visually represent a slider. For example, you might repeat a filled block character for the completed portion and an empty block character for the remaining portion, then combine them into a single string. As you type, make sure all property names match your existing columns exactly, including capitalization and spaces, and watch for any red underline or error messages that indicate a typo or incorrect function. After you finish typing the formula, apply or save it. Notion will immediately evaluate it for each row in your database. You should now see a slider style bar in that new column, automatically reflecting the progress values you're using. If something doesn't look right, just reopen the formula, tweak it, and check how the bar updates in real time. That's all you need to set up a slider progress bar using a formula